Welcome back to our kitchen, fellow foodies. Today, we have an exciting recipe that will surely tantalize your taste buds. Get ready for some sizzling shrimp stir-fry, packed with flavors and colorful veggies. Let's dive right in. To start off, let's take a look at the ingredients you'll need. We have fresh shrimp, vegetable oil, garlic, ginger, red and yellow bell peppers, onion, snap peas, soy sauce, oyster sauce, cornstarch, chicken or vegetable broth, salt, pepper, fresh cilantro or green onions, and cooked rice or noodles to serve. Let's start by marinating our shrimp. In a bowl, add the shrimp, soy sauce, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Mix it well, ensuring each shrimp is coated. Set it aside for about 10 minutes to soak up the flavors. Now, let's move on to the stir-fry sauce. In a separate bowl, combine the oyster sauce, cornstarch, and chicken or vegetable broth. Stir until the cornstarch is completely dissolved. Set this aside as well. It's time to fire up the stove. Heat a wok or a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add the vegetable oil and swirl it around to coat the bottom. Once the oil is hot, add the minced garlic and grated ginger. Stir-fry for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Now, let's add the marinated shrimp. Cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes until they turn pink and are just cooked through. Be careful not to overcook them, or they'll become rubbery. Next, add the slivered bell peppers, onion, and snap peas. Stir-fry everything together for another 2 to 3 minutes until the vegetables are crisp tender. Remember, we want to retain their vibrant colors and crunch. It's time to introduce our flavor-packed stir-fry sauce. Give it a good stir to make sure the cornstarch is well incorporated. Pour the sauce into the pan and toss everything together. Cook for an additional minute until the sauce thickens and coats the shrimp and veggies evenly. And just like that, our sizzling shrimp stir-fry is ready. Turn off the heat, and garnish with fresh cilantro or green onions for a pop of color and freshness. Serve this delightful dish over a bed of steamed rice or noodles, and get ready to satisfy your cravings. Voila! Our sizzling shrimp stir-fry is a perfect combination of succulent shrimp, crunchy veggies, and a flavorful sauce. It's a quick and easy recipe that brings a burst of Asian-inspired flavors to your table. Remember, you can always customize the recipe by adding your favorite vegetables or adjusting the spice level to your liking. We hope you enjoyed this recipe and give it a try in your own kitchen. If you did, don't forget to share your creations with us in the comments below. Hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more exciting recipes, and we'll see you next time with another culinary adventure. Happy cooking!